Let's talk about entering a motorway safely. First of all, the layout of a motorway. So you have your 3 lanes. Not all motorways have got 3 lanes. A lot of them do have, but not all of them. You've got 3 lanes, then here you've got your central reservation where there's a barrier, and the barrier separates the traffic going up the road from traffic coming down the road. It's in the centre of the motorway. It's called the central reservation. Over here you'll have a hard shoulder. This is the emergency lane. You don't drive in this lane, you use it in an emergency. And then you've got your slip road. You have a slip road that takes you on a motorway and it takes you off a motorway. So it gives you space and time to speed up or to slow down. So when you're coming onto a motorway, you need to be using this space to pick up speed. And by the time you enter the motorway, you should be travelling at the same or similar speed to traffic in lane 1. The safest speed you can be going is the speed that other people are going, isn't it? So when you're using the slip road, pick up speed and be looking for a safe gap to enter. Look for a safe gap, look for a big enough gap. Don't force your way into a gap. You have to give way to traffic on the motorway. Now, these cars may move over for you. They may not move over for you. You're going to use the whole of the slip road. You're going to look for a gap to fit into. Now, it can be much safer to enter closer to a vehicle and then back off to leave space. That's going to be the safest way to enter. When you're on the motorway, make sure you stay in lane 1. You don't have to, but it's a really good idea to stay in lane 1 until you get used to travelling at those faster speeds. Look well ahead. You're looking ahead for what's happening. You're going to be driving much faster than normal. You're going to be reaching this point much quicker than normal. So look ahead to see what other traffic are doing. Look ahead to see people changing lane. Look ahead for brake lights. Look ahead for something that may affect the way you're driving. We didn't talk about signalling. So when you're on this slip road, you are going to signal. You're going to check your mirrors, your middle mirror, your right door mirror early. And you're going to keep on checking them. You're not just going to check them once. You're going to signal early. Now, I know it's obvious where you're going, but your signal is going to alert these drivers to you being there. So it's going to help. So check your mirrors, signal early, use the whole of the slip road, stay in lane 1 until you're used to travelling at those faster speeds, and look and plan well ahead. Hope that's helped. Follow for loads more videos, and if you want to know you're going to pass your theory test, sign up for my course, Complete Theory Pro. The link is in my bio.